Just please, please.
Don't bring it out. Don't bring it out.
No. But it.
Hi, so welcome back to my channel. And I'm thinking since we are still in the quarantine mode, so why not I cheer you guys up with some of my video, or maybe it is actually to cheer me up. Whatever, keep watching.
Look up from your telescope, take me on this journey home. I don't wanna wait no more.
So let's start now. As you guys can see, I already did my brows, so now we straight away start with the eyeshadow part. I choose a very light brown for the outer part, and then after that I'm going to choose a little bit darker brown for the inner part. As you guys can see here, I'm going to blend it like half of the eyelid. Make sure you blend your eyeshadow very well so it will like end up just nice later.
Space makes me sad.
And then I'm going to put a little bit of shimmer here. It is like light pink color so that my looks will like look a little bit pop up. And here I just done with my eyeliner.
Feeling like Pluto.
And also try to be careful when you use your mascara, not to hurt yourself and also not to have smudge on your skin. Now it's time for the fake eyelashes. I struggle a lot actually behind the camera, so I'm back with my fake eyelashes. Yes. So now it's time to put the foundation. I really like this foundation because it matches my skin color like very well. So just keep blending and blending. And now I'm putting some kind of highlighter stick. I really like this one because it makes my skin glow like just so natural. Now for slimmer face look, we're going to contour our face. Just keep blending and blending everything so that your face will look like just in a nice shape that you want to. So I'm almost done here. I'm putting the face powder. And here for the blusher, I'm choosing just a very light pink color because I don't want it to like overshadow the whole look. After done with all of the contour and shading whatsoever, now we're going to put the highlighter. So I almost complete the look and just put a little bit of lipstick, brown color because it is a soft brown look, isn't it? And let's get some sunlight outside. And this is the final result.
Feeling like Pluto. You already knew though. I'm hiding just behind the stars, but how come the stars don't shine when it's day?